Hello guys and welcome. Today we are doing mKingdom from Tryhackme. So let's open up our terminal. I've already had an nmap scan going with the service version parameters. As we can see, we have a web server open on port 85, which is pretty random. So let's check it out. Let's put 85. It's just a web page with Bowser's face on it. I don't think they'd want us to do some stegography in this room. So let's go on GoBuster and enumerate this website. So let's type in gobuster.dev for directory /u for user and put in the IP address. Paste it. Put W for word list, user share word list.derb directory. We'll use this small.txt. And we'll see what we get. We have a app directory, so let's check that out. Jump, so let's enumerate this again. We might be getting somewhere. Let's look at the page source in case there's something there. Castle. So let's look at Castle. That might be a directory that we can open. Yes, it is. We have a login page as well. That's interesting as well. Might have a look at that as well. Let's put GoBuster on this as well, just to see anything interesting. So let's put the new URL in. Let's look at the login page. We have a login page for, I think it was Concrete 5. Well, Concrete CMS. So let's have a look at Concrete. Concrete CMS. Default credentials, we might be able to get some. CMS default, create username and password. Okay, so it's admin password there. So let's try that. We might be able to get in. Admin password. Apologies, my computer is a bit slow. Actually, there's some more here as well. Packages, application. So we're in an admin dash panel anyway, which it looks like. We have a files. There, we might be able to upload a reverse shell. Before we do that, let's check the settings. They may block.php. So let's go to files. Extensions to accept. Okay. doesn't look like that .php is here, so let's just add it. .php. So we should be able to like upload a PHP file now. So let's go to files and let's upload a PHP file. So what we want to do is like upload a reverse shell. We can go to rev shells and just download any. So we can just go to rev shells and well, pretty much upload a reverse shell that would give us remote code access, so we can execute commands on our side. So you can just scroll down to PHP, Pentest Monkey, they're good ones. Remove URL encode to none. Change this to your IP address, which is your OpenVPN IP address, and the port we're going to be listening on is 4848. As long as it's an unused port, you can use any port to listen on. I've already downloaded mine, so I don't need it. You can just copy this and add this to a new file for yourself. So I'm going to go to my Tryhackme directory and maybe my downloads. I think it might be there. No, actually I'll just download it from reverse shells. So just go to reverse shells, PHP, Pentest Monkey, copy this, make sure this is your OpenVPN IP address, not the attacker's. Well, your IP address, the attacker, not the web server's IP address. No shell.sh, very creative name. And there's my IP address, and that's the port I'm going to be using. Let's press yes and enter. Now let's close this and let's upload a file. Upload files. So drop a file. We'll be using the one from our downloads directory, shell.php. There, it's uploaded. Let's close this. So this is the URL. Have I started listening? No. So what we're going to do is press netcat lnvp 4848, which is the port I'm going to be listening on, and this should send a reverse connection back to me. This is a good sign, so let's have a look. Yes, we have. We don't have like a bash shell, so what we want to do is create one. So what we want to do is create a TTL shell. So let's cat TTL. Just copy this code, just type this code in on your side, and this should give us a binary bash shell. As we see, we have a proper shell now. So we were in a web server, so we might be able to have a look down there. They might have some files that might be interesting. First of all, let's try to go to home. We might be able to. Let's do ls-la. No, I don't think we'd be able to change directory to any of them. No. So let's just see what would be on the web server. cd var. I think it's www html. So we're just gonna have a look around until we find something that may be of interest. Castle. Let's have a look at another look at application. Might be blind. Yeah, there's a config. There's a .sh as well. I'll have a look at sh as well. Let's see. cd config. Another database file as well. Let's have a look at that. Database.php. As we see, we have a password. Toad. Password Toad is the best. Very creative. Cat counter.sh. Okay. Bin bash. Okay. I'll use that next actually, that seems pretty. Let's just log in as Toad first, just for fun. Toad is the best. Okay, there's a bin bash shell, so I think that might run as root. Date. So what I think may be interesting is that it's getting a file from itself. So what I'm thinking is we may be able to do another reverse shell and change this. So pretty much what I'm thinking, we create these directories on our machine, on our end. And then what we do is create a reverse shell. Since this is where it's getting so it's gonna be getting it from here, the counter.sh. So we may be able to create a root reverse shell. So for now, let's just check we can edit the etc. host. Whoops, etc. host. So we have these IP addresses. mKingdom is localhost. Let's see actually if we can just change etc. host. So let's put in our IP address. This may be of interest. So let's put etc. Put in our IP address, which will be your OpenVPN IP address. Mine's 20.50, I think. 21.51.51.80. mKingdom.Tryhackme, etc. host. Didn't put exclamation mark there. Host. Okay, we do not have permission, so I guess we must get access to Mario. So let's just go home then. See, let's cut this out. smb.txt. Okay. Let's go to documents. So where would user.txt be? It must be in Mario's directory then. I guess it would not be here. Let's check the environment. Bin bash, yes. Token. This looks like some base 64. So let's copy this and put this in Cyber Chef. Cyber Chef from base 64. Let's put in that. Might be a password or something. put in the IP address. Okay, seems interesting. So let's switch user to Mario. I think that might be his password, and it is. Great. Actually, put this here just in case I need it. So let's see if we can edit the etc host files here. So now we're Mario. Let's see if we can do this. Cat etc host. And that we are now mKingdom. So what we could do is create a reverse shell on our end. Since where was the directory we were in? Okay, seems. So okay, what we might be able to do, I guess these won't. So I guess we might be able to try to create one of these. Let's create these on our end and see if we can get anywhere. Let's do mkdir dot app cd app mkdir castle cd castle kdir application. Let's create a reverse shell on our end. So it was counters.sh. So let's create our own counter.sh. Nano counter.sh. And let's get a reverse shell from pentest monkey. Actually, let's go rev shell. We just need a basic bash reverse shell. Change that to your IP address and the port you'll be listening on. For me, it'll be 4848. So, okay, let's go here. Netcat LNVP 4848, my port that I'll be listening on. So let's create a Python server sudo. It was on port 85, so we'll have to put it on port 85 our server. -m http server.85. So we are on a server for port 85. Let's see, this may take a while. What's happened? Let's just look at Mario's directory as well. Might be something there. Mario cut user.txt, permission denied. Okay, why? So we can read, but I guess we don't have access on this file. Okay, does not matter anyway, we have root access. So let's see, who am I? Root. Let's just go to Mario's directory. Can we edit Mario's directory? This is cat root.txt. Cat root. Permission denied. Okay, why? So let's copy this to root.txt to temp. Okay, let's cd a temp. Let's cat root. Cat root.txt. We have one here. Let's go here. Let's get our root password, put that in. We have it. So let's go to Mario's directory, pwd, temp, ls, cd, home, cd Mario, ls, cat user.txt. Permission denied, that's crazy. Okay, user.txt, and let's move that a temp. Cd temp, ls, cat root.txt. Okay, let's see if that goes through. Never mind. Oh, no one there. Cat root. Root.txt. Put that in. Hopefully this should work this time. Yes. So okay, that was mKingdom. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It costs you nothing and it helps me so much. Thank you for watching this video.